and immediately go to the doctor. Okay, you may have to take a tetanus इंजेक्शन देते हैं टेटनस का टू प्रिवेंट गेटिंग एनी इन्फेक्शन. आपको कोई इन्फेक्शन ना हो जाए, बीमारी ना हो जाए, इसके लिए एक इंजेक्शन देते हैं टेटनस का. सो इफ सपोज यू नो व्हेन अ डॉग बाइट्स यू, okay, earlier you had to take a course of 14 injection, 14 injections लेने पड़ते थे. Okay, earlier, but now I guess only one injection is enough. Strong injection is given and you are prevented from getting any diseases from there. Okay, so the bites of stray animals, stray यानी रास्ते ऊपर which are not pet, okay, which are living on their own. So such stray animals can cause rabies, disease rabies. Okay, name of the disease is rabies. So they can cause you rabies by their bite. So it is very important that you wash it with a mild soap and then apply antiseptic cream or lotion on it and cover it and then immediately go to the doctor. Next is snake bite. Now snake bite is far more dangerous. Why? Because snakes are poisonous sometimes. Not all snakes are poisonous, but snakes are poisonous, isn't it? You know that. So the snakes, when they bite you, within minutes, within few hours, you are dead sometimes. Okay, so such poisonous snakes are also there. So in this case, whenever there is a snake bite, you have to be very, very careful. First thing, whenever there is a victim of a snake bite, you should wrap a very tight bandage, a cloth, anything you can use, just above the wound. So जहाँ पर भी काटा है स्नेक ने, उसके जस्ट ऊपर आपको एक बहुत टाइट पट्टी बांधनी है, अ वेरी टाइट बैंडेज. What will happen? This snake, when it bites, it injects poison in the body. Now if this poison rises or spreads to the whole body with the blood, it will attack the important organs like your brain, your heart, and immediately you can die. Okay, so it is very important that the blood is not mixed with this poison, and so a very tight bandage is put above the wound to stop the blood supply, the blood circulation. Okay, this is what they do, and immediately you have to go to the doctor. You cannot wait any longer, है ना. जैसे ही snake bite patient or victim is there, it has to be moved to the doctor immediately. Okay, so this is very important because the snakes are poisonous. Next is insect sting. Now insects are very tiny, but again some are poisonous. Okay, like the honeybee. Its poison is not too what you can say death. You cannot have death, but the poison will cause irritation. बहुत जलन होगी. Okay, your body part may swell. वहाँ पर swelling हो जाएगी, बहुत जलन होगी. So it will pain a lot. Okay, so insect bites are very painful. And so whenever there is an insect bite, what can you do? Let's see. If you are getting a sting, first remove that sting. Now what is sting? Sting is actually the part of the body of that insect. इंसेक्ट जब आपको काटेगा तो वो एक स्टिंग, एक ऑर्गन है which that insect will inject in your skin. आपकी स्किन में वो पार्ट छोड़ के जाता है. Now that sting has to be removed first, क्योंकि उसी में से poison spread होगा. Okay, so that sting is to be removed first, and then that part has to be cleaned with cream, so that there is a less of burning and less of swelling. Okay, so this sting you can have in case of honeybees and wasps. So honeybees, wasps, when they bite you, they sting you. So this sting has to be removed first, and also you can use ice cubes to ease off the burning sensation. बहुत जलन होती है. Okay, so for that you can use ice cubes, cold water, and then you should apply baking soda for bee sting. If a honeybee has stung you, you can use baking soda, which is used at home by your mother. You can use that baking soda on that part, and in case of a wasp, you can use vinegar. Okay, vinegar is that khatta liquid which we use in Chinese. So that is vinegar. So vinegar can also be used on that part where you have been bitten by a wasp. Okay, so depends upon the insect, you can use vinegar, baking soda, and relief you will get because of that burning and very painful wound. Okay, so in case of bee sting, wasp sting, you can use baking soda, vinegar, and you can also apply cold water and ice to ease off the burning. Next is nosebleed. Now nosebleed means there is bleeding from your nose. नाक में से खून निकलता है. Okay, blood will flow. Why this happens is because of extreme heat. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है तब नाक में से bleeding शुरू हो सकता है. And in case of this, what can you do? You have to put that person in a sitting position in a chair. Okay, वो person को आप एक chair पर बिठा दो and tell the person to tilt the head in front. थोड़ा सा नीचे रखे अपना face. Okay, sitting straight but face should be a bit tilted. See, it is given in the picture as well. And tell the person to hold that nose, pinch that nose, दबा कर रखे. What will happen when you pinch the nose? Blood will stop flowing. It will start coagulating there. Okay, जमना शुरू हो जाएगा and blood flow stop हो जाएगा. Also, when you are doing this, you have to breathe. So breathe through your mouth. Okay, so hold the nose like this and breathe through your mouth. In this way, after few minutes, the blood will stop bleeding, and then you can relax. You can even go to the doctor if it does not stop. Okay, so in many cases it does stop bleeding after a few minutes. You can also use cold water to put on the head. Okay, गर्मी की वजह से है, इसीलिए ठंडा पानी अगर सर पे डालते हैं तो भी bleeding will stop after some time. Okay, but in case it is not stopping, you have to go to the doctor then. Okay, so these are some of the first aids in some situations given here. So try and remember all this because they can be useful to you in your life. Okay, so this chapter is life based, so please remember and also follow these rules and regulations. It will be very helpful for you. Okay, so that's it what we learned in this chapter. Next we shall learn about matter and its properties. Okay, that's it for today.